do de dum dee dee do dee do dum 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 do de do de do de do de do de do de do.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Math Hub and you're with us in another 3 minutes mento-mathematical practice. Today's challenge is to find x where it is equal to an infinite sequence of square roots of 2. X equals square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus square root of, and keep repeating this forever. If you look at the radicals, you see that the first one covers all the others. So when we say square root of 2 plus, we mean that a square root of 2 plus is a whole. So the whole thing is under the radical, and this keeps repeating forever. Okay, before we continue solving this problem, please pause the video and have a look. Have a deep look at the question, and tell us if you can solve it quickly, or at least tell us if you believe the value of x will tend to go to infinity or it has a limited value. You have to choose between options that are square root of 2, minus 1, 2, and infinity. Well, while there might be many ways, taking the benefit of limit theorem and other mathematical methods to solve this problem, we want to use a simple and straightforward method. Look at the problem. What happens if we raise both sides of the equation to the power of 2? We will have x to the power of 2 equals 2 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 2 repeating forever. Now look here, this term square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 2 repeating forever is still a repeating sequence that keeps going forever. If we remove one term from the beginning, the rest is still the same sequence, so here we can see that x squared equals 2 plus x itself. So as you see, we have come up with a simple equation. X squared equals 2 plus x. Here we can move the two terms on the right side of the equation to the left. We would have x to the power of 2 minus x minus 2 equals 0. This is a second-order polynomial that probably has two roots if we can find two numbers that their multiplication is minus 2, and their summation is minus 1. We know that those numbers are 2 and minus 1, so we can rewrite the polynomial as x minus 2 multiplied by x plus 1 equals 0. It's obvious that roots of this equation are 2 and minus 1. From the fact that we know that the value of a given radical will never be negative, so we find out that the solution cannot be minus 1. So I feel the correct answer will be x is equal to 2. If you look at the options, you see that option C is the correct answer. And despite the fact that some people might be thinking that the sequence might equal infinity because it keeps repeating for forever, it has a limited value, and actually we could say that the value of x approaches 2, but will never completely reach it. Please subscribe to our channel. We will offer you promising days of brain capacity improvements and learning. Turn on the notification so you don't miss your tomorrow's video. See you tomorrow.